Here's the truth, okay? I don't understand why you created lions to eat zebras. Like, why would you do that? Why would you create these poor innocent zebras who are going to feel so much pain when... Exactly. You should have made only herbivores. Exactly.
Dear Lord. There's a lot to unpack here, but let's just do the science part. Tell me you don't know how ecology works without telling me you don't know how ecology works. So I've made a couple videos stitching that vegan teacher, Miss Katie, before, and they've both flopped, so tag her in this so I finally get noticed by her and she can see this, I guess. So she states that veganism is about doing the least harm, but by saying predators are straight up bad because they eat other things, that is not doing harm. That's not doing the least harm. That's doing quite a lot of harm, because that's the same idea that gets things like wolves, sharks, like lions and all that killed en masse because people think that they're dangerous and bad, specifically because they're predators, which is not good. We know that. It will cause ecosystems to collapse. So let's try to explain this in a way that makes sense. Here we have a food chain. We have buttons, producers like plants, Tic Tacs, primary consumers like deer, and Jolly Ranchers, tertiary consumers like lions. We have the herbivores. The herbivores eat some of the plants, and then the plant population is down. But the carnivores, they eat some of the herbivores, and then that allows the population of plants to recover. So carnivore eats herbivore, herbivore eats plants, but since carnivore ate herbivore, plants recover, and then herbivores eventually recover. Let's say we remove the predators. Then there's nothing eating the herbivores, so there's too many herbivores, and what does that do? Gets rid of all the plants. Then there's nothing for the herbivores to eat, so that gets rid of the herbivores. And then look at that, we have nothing. When you have a healthy amount of everything in an ecosystem, no matter how many plants you take out, the predators will take out some of the herbivores, so the plants can recover, and therefore there will be enough food for the herbivores to recover. Without predators, you have no food for the herbivores, so you have no herbivores. I really hope that made sense in a way that will convince you that we need fucking predators in the environment.